Automation is the need of time, and today we can see automation everywhere in industry or anywhere. So, in this lecture, we will learn about after going through this lecture, the student will be able to define the meaning of automation. We can understand various type of automation. We can select appropriate type of automation required for suitable application, and after this lecture you will be able to state various advantages and disadvantages of the automation. So automation is a set of technologies that result in operation of machine and system without significant intervention and achieve performance superior to the manual operation. Automation or automatic control is the use of various control systems for operating equipment such as machinery, switching telephone network, steering and stabilization of ship, aircraft and other appliances with minimal or reduced human intervention. It is a technique of making an apparatus, a process or a system to operate automatically. So there are three type of automation system. First one is the fixed automation, then programmable automation and flexible automation. So let's study one by one. What is a fixed automation? As name suggests, it is a fixed in nature, which is not going to change. So it is defined as a system in which a sequence of processing operation is fixed by the equipment configuration. Each of the operation in the sequence is usually simple, involving perhaps a plain linear or rotational motion or an uncomplicated combination of the two examples, the feeding of the rotating spindle. So it is the integration of in, and a coordination of many such operation into one piece of equipment that makes a system complex. So what are the features of this fixed automation? It involve a very high investment of custom engineered equipment. It has a very high production rates and relatively inflexible in accommodating the variety of products. So where we can use this fixed automation, wherever technology is very much complex and it is not going to change, like a car manufacturing system or any kind of product where the product is of the fixed nature, and at that place we can use a fixed automation. Then programmable automation, it means a production. So programmable automation, where the production equipment is designed with the capability to change the sequence of operation to accommodate a different product configuration. So wherever the sequence of the product or the technology is changing, at that place we can use this programmable automation. Here operation sequence is controlled by a program. So for every application we need to create a different programs, and which we can uh, code into uh, the corresponding controller. So it is a set of instruction coded so that they can be read and interpreted by the system. So new programs can be prepared and entered into equipment to produce a new product. So as the program is changing in the automation, so that's why this kind of automation is called as the programmable automation. So what are the features of this programmable automation? Let's see. First, it has high investment in general purpose equipments. It has a lower production rate than a fixed automation. It is has a flexibility to deal with the variation and changes in the product configuration, and it is most suitable for the batch production. Then flexible automation, it is exactly opposite to the fixed automation. Here the particular configuration is not fixed, so every time as per the application the automation or the nature of job is changing. That's why it is called as flexible automation. So it is just an extension of programmable automation. So it is capable of producing variety of parts with virtually no time lost for changeovers from one part style to the next. There is no lost production time while reprogramming the system and altering the physical setup. The system can produce various combination and schedules of parts or products instead of requiring that they be made in batches. So features of this flexible automation are: it has high investment for custom engineered system, the continuous production of variable mixture of products, it has a medium production rate and flexibility to deal with product design variation. So this is a basically a graph of automation, variety versus the quantity. So wherever the product variety is very high and quantity to be produced is less, at that time we have to use programmable automation. uh, Wherever variety of product is moderate and the quantity of product is moderate, at that time we have to use flexible automation. And at last, wherever quantity of production is very high and variety of product is less, the products are of complex nature, at that time we should use a fixed automation. So this is the combined representation of all three type of the automation. We have categorized it in a tabular form. Fixed automation is used where there is high demand and long product cycle, well, because it has high efficiency and low unit cost. But disadvantages of this automation is it require a large initial investment and it is not a flexible. Programmable automation, wherever there is a batch production or products with different option, at that time you have to use programmable automation. Advantages of it: it has a flexibility to deal with the change in product and low per unit cost for large batches. Disadvantage: the it new product require a long setup time and high unit cost related to the fixed automation. Last is a flexible automation. We have to use it at the low production rates wherever there is a varying demand and short product life cycle. So advantage is that we can deal flexibly with the design variation and customized products can be produced. But disadvantage is that as a large number of machinery is required, we need a large initial investment and high unit cost relative to the fixed and programmable automation. So, can you identify which kind of automation in following businesses? First one is a car manufacturing unit, second is industrial robot, third one is a CNC machines. So, we can say that first car manufacturing unit, it is a the product is not changing, a large number of products are manufactured, so it is a fixed automation. Industrial robots are the programmable automation, and CNC use of CNC machine is a uh, flexible automation. Last, the advantages of automation: with the help of this we can increase the labor productivity, we can reduce the labor cost as maximum works are done by machine automatically. We can to migrate the effect of the labor shortage. It reduces or eliminate a routine manual and clerical tasks, time consuming tasks. It improve the worker safety, it improve the product quality as well. It reduces manufacturing lead time. It is used to accomplish processes that cannot be done manually, and it avoid a high cost of non not automating. Then there are certain disadvantages. It has high startup cost and cost of operation. It has higher cost of maintenance. There is a obsolescence or the deprivation cost. There can be physical depreciation or depreciation of the function. Unemployment may be generated due to the automation as machines are working instead of people. And at last, not economically justifiable for the small scale production. Thank you.